Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will create a BrewLog. I just made up a name, BrewLog Cafe website. Landing, you could call it a landing page or a website, and we will use Claude Code. Please join us. Hey guys, as I mentioned, we will create a BrewLog Cafe website. Let me go to the lesson here. So we are on build and ship. So this is, remember we are covering Claude Code Basics. This is the course. We finished 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So we are on 2.1. Let's see exactly, we are creating this website, right? Let me get you the prompt. This is all available to you. You can download it. So I'm going to copy the prompt. I already have a window running for Claude Code. This is our window. So a very good kind of a good practice is to always clear when you're starting a new prompt or your new task, right? That saves you a lot of tokens. I have a video on the same. I'm just going to call it BrewLog Cafe. So if you look at it, I just want to change this this thing. It's not important, but I just like that, and I can just stop it, right? So it says BrewLog Cafe. Remember, I copied the prompt. So let me just paste the prompt here, right? And it should be as simple as that. I have a lesson on meta prompting that will also help you with like creating prompts, right? So basically you can use AI to create prompt, and then those prompts could be used for multiple kind of websites for different verticals, right? I mean, I'm giving the example of a website, but it could be for any task, right? So let's see, it is working now. We'll just give it a minute. By the way, let me see which model are we on. So we are on Opus 4.8. Remember, Claude Code re-enabled your Fable 5 model, which is now available till July 7th. So if you wanted to do something if you really wanted the highest model or the best model for some real complex task, this is your time, right? You have, if you have the Claude Code paid plan, then you should be able to utilize that, right? Let's see what it built. Let's go back to, so I'm gonna open, it's on the local host. The site which we wanted to make, this is a cafe site for small cafes. BrewLog is the brand, right? And it has, join the waitlist. It has the hero section, and it has some testimonial. So again, I mean, we can make more complex, more fancy sites. This is just, I just wanted to show you how you can quickly create one prompt website. In fact, even if you were going to create something more complex, multi-page website, you could still do it with a little bit more refined prompt, right? But anyway, this was just a demo to how you can use Claude Code to create a landing page or a website. Great, thank you.